Today we're installing one of our beautiful black metal frame glass barn doors. We'll walk you through each step of the process, from ordering your door to size and installing it, from beginning to end. First, you want to make sure that you order the perfect size door to cover your doorway. Refer to the product page and dimensional drawings for recommended sizing. Make sure that you have the correct product sheet, as these sizing recommendations are different for single versus double doors, doors with locks, and different track styles. This drawing will tell you the exact mounting hole height of the track for the size door that you ordered. This dimension is measured from the top of the finished floor. For this 80-inch door, 81 7/8 will be our mounting hole location. Next, we'll use a stud finder to find each stud and mark this height on each one of them. This track has pre-drilled mounting holes. However, if your studs do not align with these holes, you can drill new holes in the track at the necessary locations. You can also use the track as a template on the wall to mark your locations. Make sure to use a level during this process in case your floor along the wall is uneven, as we measured from the floor up. We can now pre-drill the mounting holes for the wall mounting brackets. There should be 4 to 6 of them depending on the length of the track. Now we can mount our track by placing a wall bushing between the wall and the track, then fastening with a washer and anchor bolt. Do this down the track for each stud location along the wall. Next, we can prep the door for the roller wheels. Attach the roller wheels to the door using the provided screws. Now we just need to install the floor guide. We recommend using a piece of masking tape to mark the mounting locations, especially if you have a dark colored floor, so they show up easier. Mark the dimensions on the tape where the guide is to be mounted using a pencil. Place the guide on the tape and mark the screw locations using a dark pen or marker. Next, we can drill the holes in the marked locations. Once that is done, you can insert the floor anchors and screw the guide down. Hang the door on the track by simply lifting up and over. Now we need to align the door into the floor guide and set the track stops on each side. To do this, slide the door to the desired closed position. Slide the track stop to the roller wheel and tighten. To do the same for the other side, slide the door to the open position. Slide the track stop to the necessary location on the track and tighten. Make sure that the track stops are positioned so the door does not leave the floor guide when fully open or closed. Now install the safety latches with the provided screw. Once the screw is in, you can rotate the safety latch towards the wall and secure it underneath the track. Last, we can install our selected handle hardware. And it's as simple as that. Enjoy your barn door from theglassbarndoor.com.